to First Standard Finance Corporation. Congratulations.
Congratulations to First Standard Finance Corporation.
Happy 20th anniversary to the First Standard Finance Corporation.
I want to greet First Standard Finance Corporation.
Happy anniversary to First Standard Finance.
On your 20th anniversary, your company has been a great help to my business. More power to your business also.
Sa inyong 20th anniversary. Nagpasalamat gid ko kay Ma'am Rachel kag tanan nga staff. Pinaka-friendly, pinaka-helpful and efficient.
A very prestigious company. I still remember way back 2004, the first time I applied for a car loan, and until now I'm still with First Standard.
Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyong pagbulig sa akon as a client, and in return nakahatag man sa akon sa benepisyo. And I hope nga ang serbisyo nyo sa mga clientele nyo magpadayon nga mga maayo.
Pero kag gusto ko lang iambal sa inyo na hindi na ako maghalin pa sa iban nga mga financing kontasek kay palangga ko gid ang First Standard Corporation Finance.
Staff. Sa amon nga mga business needs. Po, dugay na ko ng customer diri and permi ko balik-balik diri na advertise ko man sa mga business friends. So I hope na you will have more years of good business to come, and congratulations again for the first 20 years ninyo, and God bless you.
And lastly, not the least, is to improve more and more good service from you wonderful people, especially the manager, Rochelle, and April, RL, and special mention to my good friend of mine, which is E1 Service, Sherwin. Thank you, and more power.
I hope that First Standard will stay longer. Kag sa gihapon maghahatag sa akon sang assistance sa akon nga negosyo. Kay amo ni ang First Standard naghatag sa akon sang maayo nga pangitanan.
I hope you will expand and more power.
I wish the First Standard Finance Corporation all the best and more clients.
Okay, I love you. More power. Mwah.